Yeah, welcome everyone, welcome. Um, in this video, I'll be showing you how to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. How to create a demo account on MetaTrader 5. And the use of demo account is so that you can practice your trading before you can go live with your real money. Now, how to set up your account for practicals on demo account? Let's quickly do that. Now, first of all, what you need to do is to download the MetaTrader 5. Now I'm using an Android phone, and I am going to search for MetaTrader 5. Some people used to call it MT5. Look at it, MetaTrader 5. Now this is my MetaTrader 5, so I'm going to install it. I will download it and install it. Now let's wait for the process. Let's wait for the process. It's installing. It's installing now. We have successfully installed our MetaTrader 5. Now we are going to access the account now by clicking the open. I'll click the open, and this is how it looks like. Now it's very simple. Now what you do is at this plus sign, you are going to click the plus sign, and then you will see Meta Code Limited. You're going to see Meta Code Limited. Now once you see this Meta Code Limited, you're going to click on open a demo account, fill in the details, fill in the details, fill in the details, then you click on accept. After you have filled in the details, you click accept, and then you click on register. Click done. You click done. Click done. Now when you have clicked done, click on chat. You'll see it. You see the pairs. Look at the code is here. You see the trade. They will give you definitely 10,000 USDT, but all of this is actually a demo fund, the demo money. Now the benefit of creating a demo account is to help traders so that they can practice trading strategies and become familiar with the MetaTrader 5 platform without any risks of finances. Now look at how it is. Look at how it is. You can trade, you can place your sell. Now look at it. Sell. You can place buy. And you are trading without any risks attached to it. Without any risks attached to it. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Don't forget to check the YouTube channel every time, and also click the subscribe button. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.